Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic Anydesk, how we can access our system remotely from anywhere in the world, how we can access others systems, laptop, desktop, server or any other IT equipment having Windows or Mac operating system, how we can remotely access and how we can work from home. Friends, we will discuss today about Anydesk, and I will tell you about how to install Anydesk and how we will configure it unattended access from our office or any other country or any word from your system. Anydesk is a popular remote desktop software that enables team to access any desktop, server, machine or device from anywhere. It includes a wide range of features from full mobile support to wake-up LAN functionality. Anydesk is also customizable with features such as session performance and APIs. It is a very flexible tool that is fit needs to your organization. It's also very secure and very comfortable for users. Now I will go to the topic and I will tell you how to install Anydesk. Go to any browser and open google.com, type here Anydesk and then click OK. Here is first link, https://anydesk.com. click on it. As I tell you about, access any device at any time from anywhere, always secure and fast. Anydesk is most secure and very fast remote desktop application. Now we will click on download and install it. Friends, it have most of the features are free, but some features are the limited features are having with the pricing we have to purchase if we want to full functionality of this application. It's a very lightweight application and it download is completed. Now I will minimize this and we are going to install. Here run. Friends, this is the Anydesk application and this is not installed yet. We need to install Anydesk on this device. Click on it, OK, and here it asks about the installation path, where it will be installed. Installation path C, program file Anydesk. You can also change installation path, and here is telling about create start menu shortcut, create desktop icon. If you want to do, then you can check, otherwise untick. Like keep Anydesk automatically up to date. If you want to automatically update up to date, then click this, and if you want to disable automatic update, then you need to click here. But I will suggest you keep Anydesk automatically up to date, so you will get the latest security features and latest performance at every release. When any updates arise from Anydesk platform, then click accept and install. Here it asks about user account control program. We click yes. Friends, its installation is completed. Here is the address. Now the installation is completed. The one thing is that I will go through settings, so you need to idea what are the things. Language, auto select, then alias you can choose automatically, miscellaneous. The second one is security. Here interactive access, it is not in working mode. If we want to change these options, then we have to click on unlock security setting and yes. Friends, here you can see these are the same setting here. Interactive access means when you want to access this machine from more than one systems. Always show incoming session request, only show incoming request if desktop is open, never show incoming session request. These are the different options you can select at your according to your requirement. Then there are permission. In permission we can set the password, and we can also enable two-factor authentication. This is the most secure option, so no one can access this machine or this device. And here are multiple options. Enable for save login information, you can save your login information. Enable for short-term password, remote restart, you can also enable short-term password. As soon as it will restart, then you must have to give again password. Print out my document on other printer, here is also select. You can also print through Anydesk, and there is a lot of options you can explore according to your requirement. These are the different options. You can also use file transfer. You can make your session recording, printer wake on LAN option. Here are different options. Friends, as earlier I told you that you can access any device over the internet throughout the world without VPN, securely. You can also capture any image, like privacy, lot of options you have. You can go through these options, and now I will tell you about the set password. This is the password of your machine you want to access throughout the world or from any other device. This is unattended software. It is also known as unattended password. You can set this password as like here is unattended access. Different option: default, screen sharing, full access, unattended access. I will select unattended access, apply. It's everything okay, and now I can use this to any other machine and tell you how I can access the machine. I click on connect, and it's asking for a password for unattended. click OK. Here is the machine that we installed, Anydesk. Friends, this is the machine where we install Anydesk. This is the complete procedure how we install Anydesk and how we can set its password for its unattended access. This is very fast and secure application. You can use it. I think this is the best application forever. This is the topic for today. Friends, I hope you will understand all the procedure. For any question or query, you can give your question in comments. I will give you a reply as soon as possible. To like more good videos about installation, configuration and troubleshooting, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye.